I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy roux for mac and cheese. First, gather your ingredients: unsalted butter, all-purpose flour, and milk. We will use a 1-to-1 ratio of butter to flour, typically 2 tablespoons of each for a standard batch of mac and cheese. This simple technique ensures a smooth, lump-free cheese sauce every time. Let's get started with melting the butter. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once the butter is fully melted and slightly shimmering, it's time to add the flour. Sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour directly into the melted butter. Immediately start whisking the mixture vigorously. Continue whisking for about 1 minute, ensuring the flour fully incorporates with the butter to form a smooth paste, known as a blonde roux. After incorporating the flour, continue to cook the roux over medium heat for another 2 to 3 minutes. Keep whisking constantly to prevent burning and ensure even cooking. You'll notice the mixture will thicken and turn a light golden color, resembling a blonde roux. This cooking time is crucial as it eliminates the raw flour taste, leaving a pleasant, slightly nutty aroma. A properly cooked roux is essential for a delicious, smooth cheese sauce. Now slowly pour in 2 cups of cold milk, whisking continuously as you add it. Using cold milk helps prevent lumps from forming in your sauce. Keep whisking over medium heat until the mixture thickens to your desired consistency, usually about 5 to 7 minutes. It should coat the back of a spoon. This creamy base is now ready for your favorite cheeses. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.